Hey there, my amazing wellness tribe. Are you looking for healthy Indian recipes to support your wellness goal? Then you are at the right place. Today marks the exciting beginning of our low-carb and high-protein Indian recipe series that are packed with flavor to fuel your body and tastes absolutely incredible. Hello my wellness tribe. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Tiyash at the Red, California. If you are new here, I am Tiyash, a professional health coach from California. In this channel, I share healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips every week. For personal guidance and consultation, you can contact me through my website and email. Everything is given in the description box below. We are starting strong with these sensational momos. Inspired by our Jhol Momos, or in other countries it is popular as dumpling soup. But we are taking the delicious flavors of traditional momos and giving them a healthy twist by replacing the flour wrapper with these nutritional cabbage leaves. Alright, let's dive into the ingredients. First, we are going to prepare the wrapper. Now traditionally, momos use a lot of flour, but in our low carb and high protein recipe series, we are making a smart swap. We are using cabbage leaves. Not only this makes our momos incredibly low carb, but cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K and fiber, which is great for digestion. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, especially the purple one, that can help reduce inflammation and supports our overall health. With gentle hands, we are going to carefully separate the beautiful cabbage leaves, one by one. This will be our healthy, flour-free alternative. Today I am using beautiful purple cabbage, but of course you can absolutely use green cabbage for this recipe too. But I love the vibrant color that the purple cabbage adds to our momos. After separating the leaves, it's important to remove the hard stems from each leaf. We want them nice and pliable for folding, so take your time and do this gently. Now when it comes to health, both green and purple cabbage are incredibly good for you. However, purple cabbage actually boasts even higher level of powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the same compounds that give blueberries and other purple fruits and vegetables their rich color and are linked to various health benefits. So while both are nutritious, the purple offers a little extra boost. Now we are going to give these beautiful purple leaves a quick blanch. We will submerge these leaves in boiling hot water for just about 2 to 3 minutes. This crucial step softens them up perfectly, making them easy to work with when we add our delicious high-protein stuffing and fold them into our momos. Once they are slightly softened, we will carefully remove the leaves from the hot water and lay them out to cool down and air dry a bit before we add our flavorful filling. This will prevent them from being too wet and ensure they hold their shape. Let's make our stuffing now. It's the heart of our momos, the delicious and high protein stuffing. Today I am using minced chicken as our primary protein source. It's lean, flavorful, and perfect for a satisfying meal. After adding the minced chicken to our mixing bowl, now I am adding vibrant grated carrots, followed by chopped onions. Here goes some spring onions, aromatic coriander leaves and stems for a burst of flavor, and finely chopped bell peppers. I am using this mix for extra nutrients. To arm up the flavor, we are adding some minced ginger for that warm spice and freshly grated garlic. Finally, let's season our healthy stuffing simply with some salt to enhance all the flavor, freshly ground black pepper for a little kick, and I prefer to add a pinch of garam masala powder, but it's completely optional. Now it's time to mix everything together really well until all the ingredients are evenly combined. And just like that, our flavorful and high protein stuffing is ready to go. Alright, the next exciting step is assembling our low-carb wonders. Take one of your beautifully blanched cabbage leaves. You can see mine are still a little bit wet, so I am just going to gently pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Now take a generous spoonful of our flavorful high protein stuffing and place it in the center of the cabbage leaf. And now for the folding, I am going to show you a super easy method. It's very similar to how you would fold a spring roll. See how simple that is? Just watch closely as I do it again. And of course, feel free to get creative with your folding if you are feeling fancy. Once you have folded all your delicious little packages, they are ready for steaming. I am greasing my trusty steamer rack with little bit of olive oil. I absolutely love this thing. Actually bought it from Amazon, and if you are interested, I will leave a link in the description below. I think it's on sale right now too, so definitely check it out if you need a good steamer rack. Now it's time to carefully arrange our beautiful cabbage momos in the steamer rack. We need to make sure there is a little space between them so they can cook evenly. Now we are going to steam them in hot boiling water for about 10 minutes. Our momos are completely cooked now. Let's take them out from the hot steamer. Now we are going to make the jhol or the dumplings soup. Now while making this aromatic and vibrant soup or jhol for the momos, let's talk about why this is not just a simple sauce, but it's a magic that transforms our guilt-free momo snack into an incredibly delicious and fulfilling dinner that is low carb, high protein, and perfect for weight loss. To make this nourishing jhol or soup, I start with a teaspoon of oil in a pan. Then I add roughly chopped ginger and garlic, both great for digestion and immunity. Then I toss in dry red chilies. Adjust these based on your spice preference. I have removed the seeds to keep the heat mild but flavorful. Now comes a handful of peanuts, which add a creamy texture and healthy fats. After sauteing them for a couple of minutes, I add chopped onions, followed by bell peppers, grated carrots, beetroots, and finally spring onions. These veggies bring a vibrant mix of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Mix everything well, cover, and let it cook for a few minutes. Once slightly softened, I add chopped tomatoes and salt. Give everything a good mix. Then cover again and cook until the tomatoes are nicely broken down. This base is not only colorful and comforting, but it's packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. Once all the vegetables are fully cooked, I blend the mixture using a hand blender to get a smooth consistency. You can also use a mixer grinder, but make sure to let it cool first. I like little crunches of peanuts in it, so keeping it like that. Now adding hot water according to the soupy consistency. Finally adding a teaspoon of vinegar to brighten the flavors. Think about it. We are essentially creating a soothing warm soup that cradles our flavorful momos. And trust me, the secret vegetables that we added in this jhol, incredibly satisfying, way more substantial and nourishing than just momos and side of chutney for dinner. Now it's serving time. First pour the hot, aromatic jhol or soup into your favorite serving bowl. The aroma is already irresistible. Now gently place the steaming hot momos right into the soup, soaking up all that flavorful goodness. Top it off with a sprinkle of freshly chopped spring onions for that perfect pop of color and crunch. And there you have it, comfort in a bowl, spicy, soulful and absolutely satisfying. Taste, taste. Let me cut it and show you. Can you see how beautifully the chicken is cooked inside? They are too pretty to eat, aren't they? This is for you. I hope you will make it soon. How is this?
Good.
Sorry, Eden, you cannot have this. So, my incredible wellness tribe, what do you think about the delicious start of our low carb and high protein Indian recipe series? I hope you are as excited as I am for more flavorful and healthy Indian dishes. And if you like this healthy Jhol Momo or dumpling soup recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. It fuels our journey together. And if you are interested about more low carb and high protein Indian recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you don't miss a single episode in this low carb and high protein Indian recipe series. I absolutely love hearing from you. So please let me know in the comment section what other Indian dishes you'd love to see next. If you like this recipe, I highly recommend you to watch this video next, where I showed you amazing one-pot dinner recipes for busy weeknights. Thank you so much for joining in this wellness journey together. Stay nourished, stay vibrant, and get ready for more amazing recipes that are coming on your way.